Mani. The authorities at the time considered him a huge risk because of his concern with the people and the grassroots, and in the end forced him into exile. But Roy was one that never let the grass grow under his feet, and restarted his life in Zambia, and was farming with as much zeal as he as he did in Chimanimani, and doing pretty much the same. He was out of Zimbabwean politics, although he was approached to come and rebuild Manicaland. He decided against that, although he would very much like to come home, as was stated to a good friend of his who visited him not a week before their untimely death. Roy had started a new farming venture in Zambia, and obviously that would take up his time. But we sorely miss him, and his enthusiasm and his drive to fulfill his